Hello, welcome to Back to School Night. My name is Mr. Casper, and you have made it to college prep physics. Welcome. I'd much rather be doing this in person and seeing everybody live, but hopefully this video will answer any questions you may have and give you some information about the course. So let's check it out. Right here, you'll notice I'm on my Canvas homepage. You get to this through the Santa Fe High website, and students see this all the time. There's a picture of me, yours truly, and here we go. Let's check it out. So down here, I just have the general weekly SR schedule. This is college prep physics. This is second period or fourth period. So I have Zoom links for these classes, and I have the same Zoom link for second and fourth period. So just know that every day from Tuesday to Friday, the start time may not be what it says on the Zoom, but it lines up to these period times. Okay, just a couple of things on my homepage. If you'll notice right smack dab in the middle, there are some very important links, okay? And I just kind of wanted to show you where to find information and what to look for. So check it out. Our textbook. Students actually have a physical textbook. They have this in their possession, and we will be doing a variety of activities with the book, and there will also be some homework questions as well through there. I have students keep a composition book, which I thought I had in front of me, but apparently not. And inside of that composition book, students will take notes, they'll take lab data, they'll do homework assignments, they'll take pictures of it and upload it for various homework assignments. I recommend students downloading Adobe Scan. I've heard from students it's very user-friendly, and that is very helpful when students are actually writing assignments, and then they snap pictures of it and then upload that to a Canvas assignment. And that seems to be working pretty good. Let's go back to the home page. And in the upper left-hand corner, you'll notice there's a Zoom button. Students click on that. That will take us to here, and there should be a link to the Zoom meetings. What else? Contact me if you have any questions or need any help, or students need any help. Please get a hold of me. There are a few ways to do that. Here's my email, so email me right here, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. There's also Remind, and I encourage parents to sign up for Remind. Basically, every once in a while, and not too often, I'll send out little reminds, and they show up on your phone. They look like a text, but I'm actually sending it from a computer. And so when you reply to that, I'll log into the website and I'll see it there. What else? Let's see. Oh yes, I have office hours from 10 to 11. You can click here. That's an open Zoom link. So students can, if they need assistance, they can show up between 10 and 11 Mondays and guaranteed to be there. However, I realize that this doesn't work for everybody all the time, and that if students need to meet at other times, just get a hold of me, and we can probably make something work. It's easy to set up a Zoom meeting and for a quick couple of questions, okay? And what else? I also recommend encouraging your student to participate and ask questions and get involved as much as possible. Getting involved is everyone in the class gets more out of it, and it makes for a livelier class, and students learn more, and that way you clear up any questions students might have. All right, back to the home page. Right here in the middle, if you click on current week, that should bring you to the current week module, okay? And then what I have everything in week chunks. So here's week 4, and then here's week 3, etc. And then you'll notice there will be an agenda posted for every day of the week. So let's say you're trying to figure out what happened on Wednesday, you can click on that, and that will tell you what we did, a brief description of that. And then below that, there will be assignments, any assignments that we worked on. So for this day, we worked on, the Bazooka Motion Pivot Lab. It's worth 25 points. It's due on September 10th. And if you click on that, that will bring us to this. And this is actually our online virtual lab program. So here's kind of what it looks like. Here it is right here. When students log into this is called Pivot Interactives. This is integrated with Canvas. So I'm able to actually grade it through Canvas, which is nice. Then I can design labs. I can use their labs. And so here is what we just did. So there's a video, and the video shows some kind of phenomenon or some kind of lab that happens. And then students can play the video, and then they can stop it, and then they can play it again. So in this one right here, we're actually analyzing we're in our motion unit, and we're actually analyzing the ping pong ball before and after the collision. So what students can do is every lab has a set of tools that they can actually use. So here's a ruler, and you can get distance data. Here's a stopwatch, so you can check out the motion in terms of its distance and time through a variety of spots, and then they can collect their own data. They can use that data, and they can graph it, and then it'll automatically graph it for them, and then we'll look at what that means and interpret it, and there's a series of questions. So it's kind of like they're doing the lab, right? They're taking data, they're analyzing it, yeah. So I wanted to show you Pivot Interactives, and so we'll be doing that a lot. I like to do a lot of labs, and this is probably one of the best programs I've found for virtual labs. All right, let's get back to the course itself. There's a variety of do-nows, there's homeworks, there's mini quizzes, and they're all submitted through Canvas. What else? General information. If you click over, here's another link for office hours. So if you click on that will take you directly to the Zoom link. But don't click on it unless it's Monday between 10 and 11. Otherwise, you'll be stuck in a waiting room forever. So click on general info here. There's a number of just general information. Contact me, office hours, my email again, info about the block schedule, syllabus. If you click on this guy, it will tell you the units that we cover. We got a lot of cool stuff happening, motion and forces and energy, and heat and waves and electricity and magnetism. So it's a lot of good stuff. Here are the categories for grades. Our final exam is 20%, and keep in mind we're doing a year of physics in a semester. So there will be a final exam in October and a final exam in January, and those mark the semesters. Okay? We have equal weighted points for tests and quizzes, projects, and classwork. The projects are also include labs as well, so the Pivot Interactive Labs would be in that category. Okay, and then traditional A, B, C, D, F, and the percentages here. All right. What else on the general info module? Directions for Remind, Pivot Interactive. So this is how students signed up. They all created an account with Pivots, and they can see the assignments in Canvas, so they don't actually have to go to the website. Okay, what else? I think that's about it for my Canvas webpage. In the upper left-hand corner, modules will bring you to those categories. It's another way to get to the same place. Here's the Zoom button. Give us the Zoom links. And then what about grades? So all grades will be in Canvas, but they will also sync to Aries. So the grades will show up in Aries. It's not an instant transfer. So if something is graded in Canvas, it will show up in Aries after a few days. Okay, so I have to actually click the sync to Aries button before it does that, but it will appear. So if you see something in, you know, any discrepancies in Aries or Canvas, feel free to email me, and I can check into it, and I can say, oh yeah, you know, we just haven't graded that, or it hasn't synced, or oh, thanks for pointing that out, I'll fix that. So please reach out to me if you have any questions about anything. Hopefully I've covered all pertinent information. And if you need anything, please reach out. Please encourage your student to participate and to ask questions and to stay involved and to reach out to me if you guys need anything. Other than that, have a great night. Hope you enjoy back to school night, and I hope you enjoy checking out the other classes we have to offer here at Santa Fe. All right, take care and talk to you soon.